For 31 years, I flew search and rescue helicopters across some of the most remote and unforgiving parts of Alaska. I've seen plenty that make sense: storms, injuries, poor decisions, and the harsh realities of the wilderness. But there were moments that still don't have clear explanations. I remember seeing hikers standing on mountaintops, waving at us from a distance. When we landed, they were gone. No footprints, no gear, no sign of how they could have left so quickly. Sometimes the only thing left behind was their dog, sitting quietly where its owner had just been. There were other times, flying low over endless forests, when I saw shapes moving fast through the trees, too fast to clearly identify. I always told myself they were animals because that's the logical explanation, but I can't say that with certainty. In Alaska, people sometimes disappear without warning. Homes are found with doors wide open, food left out, and no sign of a struggle. No locked doors, no tracks, no clues. When you see enough of these cases, you can't help but wonder, in a place this vast and wild, is it possible there are still things out there we don't fully understand?